Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today, my dad's going to be showing you how he was harvesting Brussels sprouts and cabbage out of the garden in February, and I was planting seeds in the greenhouse while he did this video, so he wanted to show you the harvest that he got off.
Hello, today is February the 19th, 2020. We were in the garden looking at the Brussels sprouts. Now, we already went through most of the winter, and you probably think it's crazy about Brussels sprouts, but Brussels sprouts are hardy. And what we are doing today is we are harvesting these Brussels sprouts, as you can see here. Carrie normally would be doing this, but she's busy planting her other plants, so I'm the one harvesting them, so I would do my best to give you a little video here. As you can see, it's hard to see them with the sun shining on them, but they're the Brussels sprouts. They are so sweet and delicious, and you just don't get them tasting like that in the fall. Now, we had temperatures already below zero, and just the other day it was 3 degrees, so as you can see, it's taking its toll on them, but we can still get off these delicious little treats here. So let you know that you can plant Brussels sprouts and leave them in, and we're hoping that these will start off in the springtime again. They're supposed to be like perennials, so we're going to see, but right now we're going to take these off and enjoy them. Okay, we're back. As you can see, there's still some Brussels sprouts in there yet. We're going to let these go because, like I say, we're going to try to let these go for see what happens in the spring. Read reports on them that they will come back. Don't know for sure. You can see what we got so far. Now, these don't have no chemicals, no pesticides on them, except for neem oil. So now these here, they look a little rougher, but when you take the outer shell off of them, as you can see, they're nice and green inside, and they're so sweet. They're so much better than going to the store and buying stuff that you don't know what's going to happen, that it might have a recall on it or something. But like I say, these plants did take a lot of beating from the ice and snow. 3 days ago we had snow in here, so, and we had 12 inches of snow about a week ago. But everything else in the garden is gone, except for these. And some cabbage that's trying to keep going, but I don't know how that's going to work. But anyway, this is what we're working on right now. Like I say, Carrie would normally be doing this, but she's busy planting for the spring already, so trying to get that stuff, she ran behind, and I'm just trying to get a meal for us. Okay, I finished picking the Brussels sprouts that we were going to pick for today. As you can see, I don't want to take more off than we have to for a meal. That way they stay fresh. And now I'll show you another wonder. Our cabbage that was still here. I know the plants look really bad, but that's a nice little head of cabbage for going through winter. Just eat that like a salad. It would really be great. There's another little one here I'll take off and I'll clean it up. There's a few more of them here. The outer leaves are dark from being froze. But if you can find a little head inside, not much, but you can find a little head inside, it would really be sweet and tasty, especially for in the middle of winter when everything else is gone and you still have something you can harvest. A lot of people take their cabbage out when they get done with it, but we let ours in, we cut the cabbage off, and it gives these little heads off to the side. Usually they get bigger than this, but this one here was actually, we took them off around Christmas time, and this is what's left over yet. So just because everything else looks dead don't mean that everything is dead. You know, if you take your time and go through, sometimes you can get some stuff off yet in the winter time and have something delicious. But have a good day. Bye.